Your shadow blends with mine without a care. No grand applause, no spotlights gleam, just whispered moments in a shared dream. The world may spin in hurried pace, but here your smile slows down the race. No need for words that shine or blaze, just steady heartbeats in gentle ways. And every breath I take feels like a secret only we make. Being close beside you here is the peace I've chased through all my years. Not a tale of stars or fame, just the comfort found within your name. The simple touch, the quiet glance turns ordinary into a chance. No need for promises that soar, just the grace of being yours once more. And every quiet sigh speaks the truth no words can deny. Being near, your hand in mine, is the melody that bends time. No grand stage, no loud acclaim, only the warmth of calling your name. No need for parades or distant skies, the calm in your eyes is my sweetest prize. In the mundane I found the rare, the gentle grace of simply being there. So close beneath the fading light, this ordinary feels so right. No need for stories untold or new, just the quiet